Alright, greetings to all our employees. My name is Akona Farazi, and I will be taking you through the human resource policies and procedures at Kulisa Social Solutions. Our brief overview is as follows: contracts, leave policy, benefits and workplace rules, and lastly, the knowledge management angle, codification of HR policies for easy access and update. Starting with our human resource policies and procedures, these are basically formal rules, guidelines, and step-by-step processes that govern how an organization manages its employees. They provide consistency, clarity, and fairness in handling HR-related matters, and they ensure compliance with labor laws. This program is designed to introduce principles, practices, and tools that enable us to capture, share, and utilize knowledge across our organization. Over the course of this orientation, you will learn about our knowledge management framework, application of knowledge management, as well as the different types of policies of our organizations. By the end of this program, you will have a solid understanding of how knowledge management supports our knowledge sharing culture. Moving on to contracts and knowledge management. Contracts and knowledge management play a very crucial role in governing the sharing and the use of knowledge, particularly when collaborating with external partners. These contracts may include agreements related to intellectual property, confidentiality, and data protection. Lastly, understanding the terms and conditions of these contracts is essential to ensure compliance and to mitigate tasks. Our leave policy. The purpose of this leave policy is to ensure a successful start of employment while allowing for essential leave when necessary. The request process is as follows. The required notice period for any leave request is 1 week. The HR department will then approve your requests. In emergency leave cases, you require immediate notification, a brief explanation, tasks handover through your manager, and lastly, a follow-up is needed as much as possible to keep your manager informed about your situation and your expected return date. Upon return, employees should share any new knowledge or insights gained during their leave. Lastly, backup personnel contact details should be provided. Moving on to our workplace rules. As part of our organization, it is very important to understand that we adhere to our workplace rules and procedures, particularly those related to knowledge management. We respect intellectual property and we adhere to laws and regulations when sharing knowledge. We protect sensitive information and we maintain confidentiality when sharing knowledge. Lastly, we limit access to sensitive information and we maintain accurate and up-to-date documentation of knowledge, processes, and procedures. Moving on to our workplace benefits, an idea of a few workplace benefits in knowledge management at Kulisa Social Solutions are as follows: improved collaboration, innovative problem solving, better decision making, professional development, and reduced redundancy. Codification of HR policies and knowledge management at Kulisa Social Solutions. Codification of HR management policies and knowledge management refers to the process of documenting, organizing, and storing guidelines, policies, and information in a structured and accessible format. Codifying HR policies can be achieved using various tools such as the following: employee portals, which facilitate communication and access to HR services and information with codified policies stored in manuals. Moving on to explicit and tacit knowledge. Explicit knowledge refers to information that can be easily articulated, documented, and shared with other people in forms such as manuals and reports. For example, financial reports and an employee training manual. Tacit knowledge, on the other hand, refers to personal experience-based understanding, which is difficult to articulate, to document, and transfer to others. For example, the skill of riding a bicycle. A short scenario question in closing. The DCE Corporation has a team of experienced engineers who possess valuable knowledge about the company's proprietary manufacturing processes. However, When one of the engineers retires, the company realizes that a significant amount of knowledge has been lost. What knowledge management principle could have helped the DCE Corporation prevent this loss of knowledge? Well, the answer to this short question is as follows. The principle of knowledge capture and documentation could have helped. By systematically documenting the engineer's knowledge and experiences, the company could have retained valuable expertise and reduced the risk of knowledge loss due to retirement or turnover.